National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central LaSalle County in north central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over LaSalle, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near LaSalle, Oglesby, and North Utica around 6:30 p.m. Ottawa and Natalie around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Dayton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe